Are you ready for some big news from the YouTube universe? I'm Roy Garcia, and today we've got not one, not two, but three game-changing updates that'll revolutionize your brand's YouTube content marketing strategy. Now, YouTube is keeping us on our toes, and it's all happening right now. The first up, we've got some bittersweet news. YouTube is bidding farewell to the ability for viewers to click links in YouTube Shorts. Now, before you storm the gates of YouTube with torches and pitchforks, listen up. There's a big reason for it. YouTube has been overrun by sneaky spammers who send your viewers off to the digital wilderness. It's been a bumpy ride for our users, and YouTube is stepping up to protect them and your brand. So no more off-site links in Shorts. But don't worry, they've got a nifty solution, and I'm about to drop the bomb in a bit. Up next, YouTube is introducing channel profile links. Now, these links will be prominently displayed on your channel page. Unlike the header links, these come with a generous 12-link capacity. Now, why does this matter to you and to your brand? Whether promoting your products and services or rocking those affiliate marketing deals, these 12 links will spotlight your offerings. It's like your own digital storefront. Your viewers can click and explore all your awesome content right there. Of course, there's a twist. If you got sponsors, they'll have to share the spotlight with your other links. Now finally, this one is a game changer, the grand finale. YouTube is rolling out content links for YouTube Shorts. Now imagine it as your secret sauce for driving traffic to your long-form content. Sure, no more clickable links, but you can direct your viewers to any of your content, live streams, premieres, long-form videos, and other shorts. You can strategically guide your viewers from your shorts to your epic long-form content, building longer watch sessions and boosting your channel. Content links will keep your viewers engaged and help you extend those YouTube sessions. But wait, there's more. Let's say you've got that money video, affiliate deals, or a fantastic sponsorship deal. You can strategically use Shorts to drive traffic to your golden content or sponsors. Imagine the possibilities. The YouTube world is evolving, and we're evolving along with it. It's time to put your thinking caps, brainstorm, and strategize. Now, how will you use these features to your advantage? Put it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.